Sir, can't hear you.
Now you can hear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
A battery after long use has an EMF of 24 volt and internal resistance 380 ohms. Calculate maximum current drawn from the battery. Can this battery drive starting motor of the car? Here one sum is incomplete. They have not given what is for starting car motor of car, how much current is required. They have not given. Hello?
Yes, sir.
They have not given how much starting current is required for a car. So that I think it is not printed in the textbook. So I will assume it is 5 ampere. Okay. Starting motor of car, assume for motor of car current is 5 ampere. So if my answer is greater than equal to 5, it will start. If not, it won't start. So let us see. EMF is 24 volt. Internal resistance 380 ohms. Current I can find. What is current formula? Voltage, which is EMF, upon resistance, which is R here, nothing else. So this will become 24 upon 380. 2 into 12, 19. So I equals to 12 upon 19 into 10 raised to minus 1. 0. This can be written 120. 12 upon 19 into 10 raised to minus 1. It is coming
0.63.
0.63 approximately into 10 raised to minus 1 we have. So 0.063 ampere. So final answer you will write, since starting current is greater than 0 points, or you will directly write, just write this one, then last line I am telling. Completed? Since 0.063 ampere is less than 5 ampere, therefore motor of car will not start. Next, a battery of EMF 12 volt and internal resistance, a battery of 12 volt and internal resistance 3 ohm is connected to a resistor. A battery of EMF 12 volt, internal resistance 3 ohm is connected to a resistor. If the current in the circuit is 0.5 ampere, calculate resistance of resistor. B part, calculate terminal voltage of the battery. Calculate the terminal voltage of the battery when circuit is closed. When circuit is closed. Write this question. Battery of EMF 12 volt, internal resistance 3 ohm is connected to a resistor. Current of if the current in the circuit is 0.5, calculate resistance and terminal voltage. Written question? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Looking at that question,
Yes, sir.
we'll draw the circuit diagram to understand what they mean. A battery of 12 volt. So if this is one battery of EMF 12 volt, internal resistance 3 ohm, connected to a resistor. Connected to a resistor. Whose resistance we have to find? It is supplying current of 0.5 ampere. Calculate terminal voltage of the battery when the circuit is closed. Two things we have to find. Terminal voltage. So if I get I, then I into R will give me terminal voltage. What is I formula for a battery? Is it total voltage E upon R plus R? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I is 0.5, E is 12, small r is 3, capital R we have to calculate. So therefore this will become 0.5 means half equals to 12 upon 3 plus R. 3 plus R equals to 24. So R equals to 24 minus 1. R equals 2 minus 3, that is 21 ohm. Once I get R, then terminal voltage V is I into R. I is 0.5, R is 21. 0.5 into 21 will become 5 into 1, 5, 5 2s are 10, after one digit decimal, 10.54. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, solve. Done now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, see. The magnitude of current density in a copper wire. Magnitude of current density in a copper wire is 500 ampere per centimeter square. If the number of free electrons per centimeter cube of copper is 8.47 into 10 raised to 22. Calculate the drift velocity. Calculate the drift velocity of electrons through the copper wire. Charge on an electron is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 90 cool. Write the question, then I'm explaining what is given. Yes, written this one third also.
Yes, sir.
I'm writing some alphabet. You tell me it is for what. This is for which quantity in current electricity chapter?
Current.
Current.
Current. And this one? J, I have written J.
Current density.
Current density is, which is same as current upon area. So they're telling current density, which is current upon area, is 500 ampere per centimeter square. Convert into SI unit, 10 raised to minus 4 meters square. Followed first conversion.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Number of free electron per unit volume. Per centimeter cube means per unit volume. That is denoted by N, which is called number of electron per unit volume. So small n is number of electron per centimeter cube is 8.47 into 10 raised to 22 electrons per centimeter cube. Convert into meter cube. 1 centimeter is 10 raised to minus 2 meter, correct?
Yes.
So when you cube both sides, what you will get? 10 raised to minus 2 meter the whole cube. That means 10 raised to minus 6 meter cube. 10 raised to minus 6. This many electrons per meter cube. Calculate drift velocity means VD. Charge of electron is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 90 coulomb. Are you remembering formula of drift velocity or current in terms of drift velocity?
VD is equal to J by NE.
Okay. और अगर याद नहीं रहेगा तो आप ऐसा याद रख सकते हैं. Current I is V na. From this we can get drift velocity. I upon E N A. That means J upon En. I upon A is J. J is 500 upon 10 raised to minus 4. Electron, oh, this is not there. 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. And N is 8.47 into 10 raised to 22. जगह नहीं है, चलो इतना कॉपी करो फिर आगे. Now I'm putting the values. Current density is 500 upon 10 raised to minus 4. ऊपर लिया 10 raised to plus 4. E is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. And N is 8.47 into 10 raised to 22 upon 10 raised to minus 6 take up. 10 raised to minus 6 will go. This substitution clear?
Yes, sir.
So 5 into 10 raised to 6 and minus 6 will get cancelled. This is 1.6 into 8.47 into 10 raised to minus 19 and 22 is plus 3. So this will become 5 into 10 raised to minus 3 upon 16 into 8.47. 16 into 8.47. I am doing by calculator. 16 into 8.47. 135.52. 135.52. After 1.6 1.6 into 8.47. 1.6 into 8.47. 13.552. $15.552. So this you can write 50 upon 13.6 into 10 raised to minus 4 to round off. So 15 divided by 13.6. 15 divided by 13.6. Divided by 13.6. This is nearly 3.676 into 10 raised to minus 4 meter per second. What should be the order of drift velocity? 10 raised to minus 4 meter per second. So here we are getting 10 raised to minus 4. Our answer is correct. Solve. Done? Hello? Okay. Next question. Three resistors. Three resistors हेलो हाँ हाँ वो आपको जैसे समझेगा वैसे ना कैसे मालूम पड़ेगा आया कि नहीं फोन करके पूछो नंबर होगा हाँ तो फोन करके पूछो ना फिर ले लो उसे अगर बोला है तो हाँ हाँ चैंपियन है पूरा जरा देखो रहेगा तो पीडीएफ भेजो मुझे बहुत जरूरत है कल यार ठीक ठीक 3 resistors 10 ohm 20 ohm 30 ohm are connected in series combination. Find equivalent resistance of series combination. Okay. When this series combination is connected to 12 volt supply by neglecting the value of internal resistance, obtain potential difference across each resistor. Three resistors are connected in series combination. First find equivalent. Then this is connected to supply of 12 volt by neglecting value of internal resistance, obtain potential difference across each resistance. Okay. Question written. Hello.
Yes, sir.
I'm drawing the diagram. 10, 20 and 30 are connected in series. R1 suppose 10 ohm, R2 20 ohm. Series means one after another, huh? And R3 30 ohms. They are connected in series. If this combination is connected to 12 volt supply with no internal resistance, then find potential difference across each. Across each means we want V1, V2 and V3. Now, if I get current I, then voltage V1 will be IR1, V2 will be IR2, V3 will be IR3. We can find all voltages. But before that, series resistance. RS is R1 plus R2 plus R3. So 10 plus 20 plus 30 equals to 60 ohm. So resistance in series is 60 ohms. Now to get voltage across all, first find current. Current I is total voltage upon total resistance in series. Total voltage 12, resistance in series we got 60, 12 into 5 is 60. So voltage V1 is IR1, which is 1 upon 5 into 10 equal to 2 volt. Then V2, okay, just complete till this, then I'm clearing the space to get V2, V3. This diagram I can clear, no?
Yes, sir.
है क्या चैंपियन में? क्योंकि आपको तो मैं पहले कितनी बार बोला क्या क्या मटेरियल है भेजो मुझे, तो आप तो कभी भेजे ही नहीं। मैं आपको एक बार बोला था ना कितना इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक का सब मटेरियल भेजो, तो आपने तो भेजा ही नहीं, आपने खाली 2-3 पेपर भेजा और ये भेजा इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक। अभी इसके बाद सुनो, करंट का जो भी होएगा ना एक फोल्डर सेपरेट बनाओ, करंट का पूरा मटेरियल मेरे को चाहिए, क्वेश्चंस एंट्रेंस का जो भी है। उसमें बीच बीच में मुझे बच्चे लोग को देना पड़ता है टेस्ट या प्रैक्टिस करंट, हाँ करंट का पूरा जितना होगा, मतलब अपना शीट हो गया एक, उसके बाद अगर आप बोल रहे चैंपियन है तो वो भी देखो, तो उनको मुझे डेली क्या 50 अगर मैं होमवर्क देता हूँ तो लोग काम करते हैं बराबर ना। हाँ तो आपको तो मैं कितना दिन से पूछ रहा हूँ, पूछा था ना कि नहीं बताओ मुझे, तो आपने तो दिया ही नहीं मटेरियल अभी। क्या लिखा है? कंडक्टर इंसुलेटर, क्या बात कर रहे हैं कंडक्टर इंसुलेटर। अभी ठीक है चलेगा, अभी जो है वो आप दे दो। हाँ तो ठीक है चलेगा, तो उसका पूरा एक पीडीएफ करके दो और एक करंट का पूरा दो। तो क्या मैं सामने अपना शीट के अलावा ये होमवर्क दे दूंगा ना उनको? ठीक। हाँ अभी इसका पहले दे दो ना, इसमें भी होगा करीब 500 सामना, तो ये होमवर्क कर लेंगे। Yes. Next is two resistor. Two resistors, 1 kilo ohm and 2 kilo ohm are connected in parallel combination. First, find equivalent resistance of parallel combination. Very simple. Find equivalent resistance of parallel combination. Second one, when this parallel combination is connected to 9-volt supply by neglecting internal resistance, calculate current through each resistor. Two resistor 1 and 2 kilo ohm are connected in parallel. Find equivalent. This is connected to 9-volt supply. Find current through each resistance. Simple sum. Have you completed? Then I will draw the diagram.
Sir, it's 1K.
1 kilo ohm, K ohm, and 2 kilo ohm. 1 kilo ohm and 2 kilo ohm. Written full? Yes, written.
Yes, sir.
Two resistor 1 and 2 are connected in parallel. So one resistor, second resistor, this is 1 kilo ohm, 2 kilo ohm, You can call this as R1, R2 are connected in parallel. This combination is connected to the supply of 9 volt. No internal resistance. Calculate current through each branch. First 1 upon R parallel is 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. So 1 upon R parallel is product. Reciprocal will become product upon sum. You can write direct formula also. So 1 into 2 upon 1 plus 2, that is 2 by 3 kilo ohms. Now we want current through each branch. Voltage is given. So I1 is V upon R1. V is 9. R is 2 by 3 kilo. Kilo should be converted into ohm. So 3 goes up. This is 9 into 3 upon 2 into 10 raised to 3. That will be 27 upon 2. I is V by R1. V is 9. 2 by 3 kilo. 10 raised to 3. That will become...
Sir, this is current equivalent.
What is current equivalent?
Finding current equivalent
No, no, no. What is current equivalent? There is nothing called as current equivalent.
means the total current over here. I1 plus I2.
It is given total current.
See, 2 by 3 is current in both total resistance. Na? You have to take 1 and 2 kilo.
Why? Current in R1, 1. Yes. Okay. Current in R1 I have to take. R1 is 1 kilo ohm. Total resistance we got 2 by 3. I1 is V upon R1. V is 9 upon 1 kilo
9
ohm, that
upon
is
10
10
raised
raised
to.
to 3. So it will become 9 into simple 10 raised to minus 3 ampere. Okay. Or can we call milliampere? This is same as 9 milliampere.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, I2 is V upon R2. V is 9. R2 is 2 kilo. 2 into 10 raised to plus 3. So it will become 4.5 milliampere. Understood both?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Please copy with diagram. See, if you are having textbook at home, there are some errors in this textbook. They have used wrong units many places. So first time they have come out with textbook, there might be error. You don't rely on that. Whatever I'm giving, that is correct one. टोटल कितना क्वेश्चन है सुंदर? वन 140 है क्या? 143. 143। ओके चलेगा भेज दो, नहीं तो उसके बाद देखो मैं क्या सोच रहा था ना, 30 30 30 ऐसा हो, डेली प्रैक्टिस पेपर 1 ऐसा करके बना सकते हो। नहीं तो चलेगा, नहीं नहीं नहीं, ये भी 50 होगा नहीं ना, रोज 50 कैसे कर पाएगा बच्चा। चलेगा ऐसे ही भेजो, मैं उनको 1 to 10 ऐसा बोल के रखूंगा। चलेगा, उसमें आंसर है क्या पीछे? ठीक है, वो उसको पूरा भेजा ना आपने फिर? ठीक है, ठीक। करंट का ही भेजो। Yes, done.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next question. A silver wire has a resistance of 4.2 ohm at 27 degrees Celsius and resistance 5.4 ohm at 100 degrees Celsius. Determine the temperature coefficient of resistance. Determine a silver wire has resistance of, first resistance I am calling R1, 4.2 ohm at temperature T1, 27 degrees Celsius, and new resistance R2, 5.4 ohm at temperature T2, 100 degrees Celsius. Find temperature coefficient, means alpha of resistance, very important one. Important because this is new type. Rest all series parallel you have been doing in 10th also. So just write data, then I'm starting the sum. Question data write down. Shall I clear the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Since RT is R0 1 plus alpha delta T. So R1 will be R0 1 plus alpha T1, and R2 will be R0 1 plus alpha T2. Dividing 1 by 2, we get R1 upon R2, R0 will get cancelled, 1 plus alpha T1, 1 plus alpha T2. How much is R1? 4.2 ohm, and R2 is 5.4, equals to 1 plus alpha T1 is 27, 1 plus alpha into 100. Can we cancel this by any factor? Hello? Can we divide this?
So
At least we can divide by 6 nines of 54, 6 into 7. Okay, now I'm cross multiplying. This is 7 into 1 plus alpha into 100 equals to 9 into 1 plus alpha into 27. So 7 plus 700 alpha equals to 9 plus 9 into 763, carry 6, 9 2s are 18 and 6 24 alpha. Then this will become 700 alpha minus 243 alpha, 9 minus 7. 10 minus 3 is 7, 9 minus 4 will be 5, 6 minus 2 will be 4, alpha equals to 2. So final alpha is 2 upon 457. Dividing this with calculator, you have to divide in rough or by log. Calculators are not allowed in board. 2 divided by 457, 0.0043 I am getting. So alpha equals to 0.0043. That means you can write 4.3 into 10 raised to minus 3 per degree Celsius. Solve. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. A 6-meter long wire has diameter 0.5 millimeter. Its resistance is 50 ohm. Find the resistivity and conductivity. A 6-meter long wire. So length is 6 meter, diameter 0.5 millimeter, radius will be 0.25 millimeter, that is 25 into 10 raised to -5 meter. मिलीमीटर का डेसिमल निकाला तो -2, millimeter to meter -3, therefore -5. Its resistance is 50 ohm. Find resistivity rho, conductivity is sigma. Since R is rho L by A, therefore rho is R A by L, R pi R square by L. Copy till this. Substituting R50 by 3.14, small r 25 into 10 raised to -5 square, and length is 6 meter. So this is 5 into 50 into 3.14 into 625, 10 raised to -10 upon 6. So equals to 2 3s are 6, 1.57. ये मल्टीप्लाई कर देता हूँ. 5 into 5 25, 5 into 2 is 10 and 2 12, carry 1, 5 2s are 31, 3120 into 1.57 into 10 raised to minus 10 upon 3. So 3.1250 into 1.57 into 10 raised to minus 6. It will be 1, 2, 3, 4 minus 6 upon 250 3.25 after 40 minus 10 minus 6. That means, can I say approximately 1.57? This is 3 ones are 3 into 10 raised to minus 6 ohm meter. Right now, this many ohm meter. Conductivity, comma, rho sigma equals to 1 upon rho 1 upon 1.57 into 10 raised to minus 6, that is 1 upon 1.57 10 raised to plus 6, which we can write 10 upon 1.57 into 10 raised to 5 meter upon ohm. Six point 369 into 10 raised to 5 ohm meter raised to minus. Yes, completed.
Yes, sir.
Now all numericals from textbook I have completed. Now I'm doing MCQ of textbook, and then next lecture I will start with extra questions. First MCQ based question. You are given 4 bulbs of 25 watt, 40 watt, 60 watt, 100 watt of power, all operating at 230 volt. Which of them has the lowest resistance? Options are 25 watt, second option 40 watt, third option 60 watt, and fourth option 100 watt. 25, 40, 60, 100 power operating at 230 volt is given. Which of them will have lowest resistance? Do you know power formula? Electrical power in voltage and resistance?
V square upon R.
V square upon R. So power is V square upon R. Here V is constant or variable for all?
V is constant.
Can I
Constant.
say P is proportional to 1 by R?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that bulb whose power is maximum will have lowest resistance because it is inversely proportional.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So resistance R is inversely proportional to P. R will be least if P is maximum. Who is maximum? 100?
Yes, sir.
So answer is 100 watt. Right solution. Can I clear?
Yes, sir.
Second. Which of the following is an ohmic conductor? Transistor, vacuum tube, electrolyte, D is nichrome wire. Which is ohmic conductor means obeys Ohm's law. Have you heard about transistor? I'm not talking about radio. Transistor is electronic device. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
How,
sir.
see, I suppose I have not heard about transistor vacuum tube, but I know ohmic conductor means metal. Out of this four, which appears to be metallic wire?
Nichrome wire.
Nichrome wire.
तो ये आंसर है नाइक्रोम वायर बिकॉज ये सब ऑड मैन आउट हो गया. ट्रांजिस्टर इज सेमीकंडक्टर, vacuum tube is also semiconductor, electrolyte is ions, so only metal is this, therefore it is a ohmic conductor. Have you heard about rheostat?
Yes, sir.
अभी मैं रीड करता हूँ, लिखाता नहीं हो ये. Rheostat is used to bring on a known change of resistance नॉन चेंज होता है क्या उसमें ऑफ
हाँ.
रजिस्टर? क्या
You
बात
can
कर रहे
vary the resistance.
हो? नो नो, चेंज मतलब वेरी, बट डू यू नो हाउ मच यू हैव वेरीड रियोस्टेट से?
No, sir.
नो, तो ये रॉन्ग हो गया ना.
No.
हाँ, वी कैन ब्रिंग चेंज बट नोन नहीं, अननोन चेंज होता है. सेकेंड बोला है कंटिन्यूअसली चेंज द रेजिस्टेंस इन एन आर्बिट्ररी मैनर एंड देयर बाय ऑल्टरिंग द करंट. बराबर है ना? कंटिन्यूअसली चेंज कर सकते हैं ना?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
परफेक्ट.
Yes, sir.
फिर बोला टू मेक एंड ब्रेक द सर्किट एट एनी इंस्टेंट. मेक एंड ब्रेक तो की
No,
होता है ना,
sir.
वो की
No,
होता है,
नहीं.
sir. की होता है.
की होता है. डी बोला है नाइदर टू ऑल्टर नॉर द करंट, तो रॉन्ग है ना, उसका काम ही है टू ऑल्टर द रेजिस्टेंस हेंस करंट चेंजेस, तो कंटिन्यूअसली चेंज कर सकते हैं, इससे बी आंसर. नेक्स्ट वन, थर्ड एमसीक्यू, टेक्स्ट बुक का फोर्थ है ये. द वायर ऑफ लेंथ L and resistance R is stretched so that its area नहीं, radius बोला है, so that its radius of cross section is half. What is its new resistance? Options are 5R, 8R, 4R, 16R. First you write, then I'm explaining what formula you will remember when wire is stretched.
Sir, answer is C.
Answer is C. No, C is wrong. Answer is D. C would have been correct in case it is given area, not radius.
हाँ, it's area square.
Ah, yes. So got now 16R.
Yeah, 16R.
Yes. Can I clear this from the screen? Then I will explain you relation between R length, R area, R radius. Okay. See, when wire is stretched, ये बताया था शायद मैंने आपको, तो वॉल्यूम सेम रहता है ना. ये वायर है, इसको अगर खींचा तो अंदर का ये मटेरियल का वॉल्यूम सेम रहने वाला है ना. सेम वायर को
Yes,
खींचा.
sir.
So when wire is stretched, volume remains constant. Pratik, what is formula for volume? If we have a wire whose length is L, area is A, what is volume? Pratik? Sanskar? You all are there or? Yes, Pratik? Can you hear me? Pratik? Pratik Vetkar? Janvi? Yes, Janvi? Amy?
A into L.
A into L, yes. Others, I think they have muted themselves permanently. Unmute whenever it is required. When wire is stretched, volume remains constant. Volume is A into L. So first volume, can I say A1 L1? Second volume, can I say A2 L2? So A1 upon A2 will be L2 by L1. Any doubt till this?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Okay. Abhi, we are interested in resistance relation. So I know R is rho L by area A. So when you take ratio of R1 with R2, same material का rho same रहता है, L1 upon L2 into area उल्टा A2 by A1. Now I can see clearly A2 upon A1 means L1 upon L2 or not. So R1 upon R2 can be written as L1 upon L2 into L1 upon L2. So R1 upon R2 is L1 upon L2 का square. समझ में आ गया ये? हेलो?
Yes, sir.
और L1 upon L2 I can write A2 upon A1 उसका square. और resistance ratio is area means pi R2 square pi R1 square, ये पूरे का square, pi pi cancel, so you will get R2 upon R1 raised to 4. ये तीन याद रहेगा, then you can easily attempt the question. Please copy till this, then we will do by shortcut method once we remember this. Right, when wire is stretched, volume remains constant. Therefore, A1 L1 equals to A2 L2. Complete till end. Yes, completed.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, once this you know that relation, then it is simple. They are telling radius is half of original radius. So R1 upon R2 will be R2 by R1 power 4. R1 is R, R2 you have to calculate. This is half of R1 upon R1 raised to 4. So R by R2 is 1 upon 16. Therefore, R2 is 16R. Okay, this is 16R. 16R option is D. Five dry cells, each of voltage 1.5 volt are connected as shown. What is overall voltage? What is overall voltage with this resistance? What is overall voltage with this arrangement? Options are 0 volt, 4.5 volt, 6 volt, 7.5 volt. Now if you see carefully, देखो एक उल्टा कनेक्ट किया है ना, हेलो,
Yes, sir.
उल्टा कनेक्ट किया मतलब ये
Yes,
दोनों
sir.
मिलके वोल्टेज को कैंसिल कर देगा ना.
हाँ.
So net it
Yes.
will be only this 3. So can I say answer will be 4.5 volt?
Yes.
Yes.
बस this is the answer. B. एक उल्टा मतलब वो उल्टा दूसरे वाले को भी खलास करता है. So 1.5 cancel होके left out 3 which is 1.5 total 4.5. This Friday you will have test on full current electricity. That means it will include theory, some MCQ and numerical. Gravitation chapter is over.
No, sir.
Okay. After completion of this, I will start with electrostatics. So that's all for today. We'll meet now on next lecture with more MCQs. So on that day, I will complete full chapter. And then coming Saturday, I will start with electrostatic. And Friday, you will write test on current electricity.